these floor pads and these pieces of material. As you can see, they're all in different sizes. You can have a 42 centimetre size, you can have a 30 centimetre size, or you can have the material in a glove or in a little cloth on most occasions. But I want to show you the theory of hara. It is a cleaning system, and it's not just one of those mops you buy in the supermarket and you just move the dirt from one place to the other and you leave the footprint on when you walk on it when it's wet. This has been designed to suck the dirt into the fabric, which is quite amazing. Now, people say, well, I'd rather pull my vacuum cleaner over the floor. Well, that's ridiculous because you're going to scratch a timber floor anyway and miss lots of bits. So the yellow floor pad is a dry dusting and it picks up all the finer dust particles into the fabric. The next stage is, if you've got really a lot of dirt and build-up, particularly if you've had builders or you've had a lot of traffic or a party, then you might need to scrub your floor. So this agitates, it's like a scrubbing brush, and it brings all the dirt to the top, which is called the ultra. And then you need, of course, have you ever actually cleaned a floor with a dirty old mop and then gone with a towel and dragged it across to dry it off? And you get all this dirt into that towel. Well, this is like the towel, that it actually sucks all the dirt into the fabric. This is what you'd use on a timber floor. It's called a Max 6. For heavy duty, well, you've all heard about the green glove that does all the screens and mould, but this one is one that will absorb mould and dirt, and it's actually a commercial style mop. I actually use it on my floor, which is a non-slip outside tile. I put it inside, of course. So dry, scrub, dry off, and then all of a sudden Hara's come up with the latest technology, and they're doing a 2-in-1. They're doing a 2-in-1. This is the hedgehog gold. So you see all those little prickles in there? That scrubs like a toothbrush, and then the one underneath actually sucks the dirt into the fabric. So if you've got cement floors or those outside tiles around your swimming pool, this would be an excellent one. And then this floor pad, which is called the Hedgehog Soft, can be used really on any floor. The outside is the cleaner and the inside is actually the magnet that sucks the dirt into the fabric.